This is from Cycle. Sorry. Like all survivors, I once thought, when I'm home I won't feel a gap. But now I know I thought I never need to get home. War isn't over when it ends. Some pictures never leave your mind. They are the faces of the children, the ones we left behind. They're called Widoy, the dust of life, concealed in hell, and thorns life. They are the living reminders of all the good we failed to do. We can't forget, must not forget, that they're all our children too. These kids hit walls on every side. They don't belong in any place. Their secrets they can hide. It's printed on their face. I never thought one day I'd half-breeds from a land explored. But then I saw a camp for children whose crime was being born. They're called Widoy, the dust of life, conceived in hell, and thorns rise. We owe the fathers and the family a loving home they never knew, because we know deep in our hearts that they're all our children too. These are souls in need. They need us to give. Someone has to pay for their chance to live. Help it reminders of all the good we failed to do. That's why we know deep in our hearts that they're all our children.